Club London, hands down. Yo, honestly. Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a get ready with me, from the makeup, the hair, and the whole outfit. I'm so excited about this video. This is like my pre-birthday video celebration get ready with me, so hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as you're watching this video. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows off makeup, so now I'm just gonna do my full face in front of you. I'm gonna start off with this tomato serum by Biro. This is super good. So this is the serum I'm going to use. It's super cute the way it does it. So like this lifts up, like the bottom, the top part lifts up, and you push on it for the liquid to come out. So I push it in. Just a little bit on my forehead. Alright, so just a little bit, you know, just massage it in your face. The little space of forehead that I have. Alright guys, and if you see me looking down here, this is my monitor that I'm looking at, and if you see me looking here, it's because my mirror is right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with my foundation. So basically, as of right now, okay, so I'm in a dilemma. I'm using the Fenty is the hydrating longwear foundation. I'm not in love with it, to be honest. It's not the best, so I'm gonna mix it with my MAC foundation. So this is the one I use the most. It's just the hydrating Fenty one is just like, my face is already oily, and then like it just makes my face more oily. So yeah, and this is the shade NC46. So if you're my shade, that would be a good shade for you to go in. Alright, so now that we're done putting on our foundation, I'm gonna go ahead now with my concealer by MAC. So this is in the shade NC25. Honestly, I could go a shade up. It's just I was too lazy to go back into the store and get a new one. So yeah. Kind of like it, but I don't know. Y'all be the judge of this. And I'm gonna go ahead again with my beauty blender just to put it on. But yeah, I hope that everybody's doing well. It's been a while. I honestly miss you guys. I miss you guys so much. I'm so happy I'm back on YouTube. Honestly, it's like probably one of the greatest decisions I made this year. No, on the real, I just love interacting in this kind of format. It's like, it's soothing to me. It's just everything, and I just hope you guys love the content that I'm gonna be bringing, because, and I also feel so inspired when I watch other people, especially my favorite person right now, I would say it's Aaliyah Face. Oh my god, like she is so amazing. Like her vlogs are amazing, her get ready with me are amazing. Like bro, I just love it. So you want to blend this like really perfectly into your skin. You know, don't rush this process, because this process is very important. So make sure you blend, blend, blend. You see, it kind of like, so like it's good for my face, but I could still go a shade up, I feel. And I used to start my makeup with my eyeshadow first, but I completely switch it up. Like if you go back to my old videos, you would see that I do eyeshadow first. But I don't know, I've been looking at a lot of like makeup gurus, and like I've been doing this like system for like, I would say for a few months now, and I like it better. I don't know why, but I do. So yeah, I really love it, honestly. I love it, I love it, I love it. Next weekend, I'm so excited. Actually, by the time you see this video, I will already be on my weekend trip for my birthday weekend. I am so excited. Like, bro, I'm excited to just get away from my city just because of the whole corona situation. Like, we can't travel outside of Canada. Well, you can by plane, at least, not by car, because the border is still closed. But like, what's the point if you're gonna have to quarantine 14 days when you come back? Like, what's the point of that, honestly? I don't want to lose too much work. It's just too much, so I rather just go within Canada. And then I have never been, if you're in Canada, you know, like about Niagara Falls. I've never been there ever, so like, so to me that's like the perfect time right now to explore more of Canada. So I'm super duper excited to go. All right, so like this looks blended in perfectly. Okay guys, don't mind me, my products are so dirty right now. I should probably clean it before I start recording. But so next I'm gonna go with my Huda Beauty for baking. So this Huda Beauty is super dirty, guys, and it's in the shade Canufa. Sorry guys, my product is super dirty, so don't judge me. So I'm just gonna dip it with my beauty blender. All right, by the way, I don't let the powder sit under my eye just because every time I do, it leaves me like those dry spots. So I literally just blend it in. I know some people like to leave it. I personally don't. Like, do what works for you. It does not work for me. So I just put it on and blend it. Alright, so as I let the other parts of my face sit, what I typically am gonna do right now is my eyeshadow. So I got this in the BoxyCharm box, but oh my god, I just dirtied it with my finger, guys. But yeah, so basically I've been using the Morphe palette by Manny Mua. So this is how it looks like. This is how the colors looks like. This palette is actually lit. Like, I love this palette. So I'm gonna start out with the Boy Next Door, and then I'm just gonna put it on my eyelids. I like to put like a neutral brown shade first, just cause like I feel, you know, that's the base, you know, that's like the base. And then I use the Sophie one. So now I'm gonna go in with Zaya. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm super excited to go away for my birthday weekend. Like, I just want to go away for some time. This corona has been serious for everybody, so I just want to be with my girls and just have fun, have a lovely 3-day getaway, you know. So yeah, so by the time you see this video, I'm gonna post my outfit I'm gonna wear in this video on my IG. So it's just gonna come all in the same weekend. And then the dress that I got, oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's from this new company that it's only because of my friend, because we're getting our bridesmaid dresses from that company. But it's called Club London, and yo, that company is lit. It's super lit, super lit. Like, I'm so into like buying from like London. Like, London, you're becoming my peoples, you know what I mean? So yeah, so after that we're gonna go in with the Spellbound. But yeah, so London has been like my thing right now. Like, all like some, like, it's just London fashion is like, yo, It's actually lit. But yeah guys, so I got that dress and it looks super nice. I can't wait to show you at the end of this video. It looks super lit. But yeah, so what else is going on in my life, other than the fact that I've been busting my butt for Kadore, my hair company, because a lot of things are coming out in December and I'm so excited to just share with you guys the hair, the products that we're selling. Like, it's gonna be so amazing. So if you're not following us at this moment on the IG, I would suggest to go follow us like ASAP because it's about to go down. Now I'm gonna mix a little bit of Scorpio and Leo together. But yeah, it's about to go down guys, so you should definitely go and follow us on Instagram at Kadore Shops. I'm gonna put it in the link, the description link, and I'm also gonna put it on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah, so we're relaunching my company and I'm so excited for everything that we're about to do. It's gonna be super amazing. The bobs, the body wave, the straight hair, like everything is going to be lit.com. I promise you guys. I promise you guys. Like, I'm even wearing my unit right now. It's not done because obviously we're doing it in this video, but yeah. So now we're gonna use our NYX eyeliner. Alright, so I'm going to remove the excess of powder on my face. Alright, now I'm going to go with this bronzing palette. I literally got this at Shoppers Drug Mart, to be honest, so it's nothing special. I'm gonna go in with my powder, also again from Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm gonna go back into my palette and put some, kind of darken the bottom of my eyes. And then I'm gonna go again back into my palette and I'm going to put this Apollo shade for my highlight. Alright, then I'm gonna finish off with my Morphe. Alright, so as I let this dry for a bit, what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna go get my hair tool so we can get this hair slayed. Alright, so now I'm gonna part my hair. So yeah, so the look that we're gonna do today, I'm looking crazy, but it's a half up, half down kind of look. So I'm just gonna separate my hair in half. Right, so I'm gonna brush my hair, bring it up. So now we're just gonna curl my hair even more. So I'm gonna grab my wand and just curl my head up. All right, so now that I'm done my hair, I'm gonna go put on my birthday outfit, my pre-birthday, because my actual birthday is December 9, but I'm doing a pre-birthday weekend. So this is gonna be my pre-birthday weekend dress. Okay, so be right back. All right, so here is the final look, the final get ready with me pre-birthday celebration. Honestly, I love it. This is the first time I'm trying on this dress and I absolutely love it. Your Club London, hands down. Yo, honestly, you guys are amazing. Like, I am so happy. Like, this is a look. Oh my gosh, this is actually a look. So basically, I'm gonna insert the dress so you can see how it originally looks like on the model, but on me, this I'm also gonna insert a clip on how it looks on me. Like, I just love, first of all, there was a white and a champagne, and I love the champagne more. I feel like it goes more with my skin tone. And like, the white one would have looked nice also with my skin tone, but there's something about champagne, and I just like the, first of all, you already know me. If you've watched my previous video, you know that I like puffy sleeves. So anything with puffy sleeves that gives me that elegant, classy look, I love it. It has like sparkles on the sleeve, which you can like see. It also has a zipper here. I'm not gonna unzip it because I don't need to, because it's weird. And it has like this strap that goes around my neck, and it buckles with like a gold like clip. And then this is like a corset in the middle. Oh my god, the corset just like it's just something. It is like a mini like dress. I love it. It just suits my body so well. Like, this is such a pre-birthday outfit. Like, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? It's me. But yeah, so if you like this, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for your girl and be a part of this family. Like, we're a family, yo, guys, girls, we're a family. But yeah, anyway, so I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget, I upload every Sunday now. All right, so bye.